In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the mode of YouTube from light to dark mode in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly proceed at the best matched and click on Open to continue. So tap on it, and in a few moments you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to proceed at the search bar here at the center and type for YouTube. Once done typing, once done typing, all you need to do is you need to hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to this kind of window where you can see a list of results. So please proceed to the first result, which is under youtube.com, which is the official website for YouTube. Click on it. And eventually you would be redirected to the YouTube. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything would be set here. Okay, so once set, you need to proceed to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a user icon. Tap on it, and eventually you can bring up the right pane. Okay, all you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list and proceed with appearance. So here in the appearance, you need to click on this forward arrow, and in that way you would be able to see this kind of window. So in order to change the mode from light to dark, all you need to do is you need to tap on dark, and in a few moments or in a few seconds, the dark mode would be a YouTube, an entire YouTube website or window. Okay, so from here, when you look at the left pane, you can see that when you click on the history or your videos, you would be able to see that everything has been set in dark. Okay, once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.